Now the next type of solution is non-ideal solution, which do not obey Raoult's law over the entire range of concentration. Now, do not obey means Pa is not equal to P naught A XA, Pb is not equal to P naught B XB. Not equal to means it can be greater than or less than. Delta H mixing is not equal to 0. Delta V mixing is also not equal to 0. Not equal to 0 means it can be less than 0, that is negative, or it can be more than 0, that is positive. So we can have two types of non-ideal solutions. The first type having the values less than 0, that is negative, and the second type having the values more than 0, that is positive. So we can have two types of non-ideal solutions with positive deviation and non-ideal solutions with negative deviations. So first we'll discuss non-ideal solutions with positive deviation. So positive deviation means Pa is greater than P naught A XA and Pb is greater than P naught B XB. Delta H mixing is greater than 0. Greater than 0 means it is positive value, so the process is endothermic. Delta V mixing is greater than 0. Greater than 0 means it is positive, that is volume increases after mixing. So how to make solutions with positive deviation? So suppose this is the first container containing the component A, this is the second container containing the component B. After mixing I am having the solution. So the solution with positive deviations are formed such that AB attractions are weaker than either AA or BB attractions. It means that after mixing the two components, the intermolecular attractions should decrease. And when the intermolecular attractions decreases, the escaping tendency of the molecules increases. That's why the partial vapor pressure of each component is more than that of pure liquid. So Pa is greater than P naught A XA and Pb is greater than P naught B XB. Also, since the intermolecular attractions decrease, heat is absorbed. It means the process is endothermic now, so resultant solution is found to be cooler. So we can get such type of question in the board examination that after mixing the two components, if the resultant solution is found to be cooler, which type of deviation you will expect? So the answer is positive deviation. Now, since the intermolecular attractions decrease between the molecules will move apart and volume increases after mixing. So volume of the solution is more than the sum of the volume of individual components. So if I take 50 ml of A, if I take 50 ml of B, the resultant volume of the solution will be more than 100 ml. So what are the examples of solutions showing positive deviation? Ethyl alcohol and cyclohexane. So first we are discussing this example in detail. So these are the molecules of ethyl alcohol. Now ethyl alcohol molecules are held by hydrogen bonding. So hydrogen bonding is there, which is shown by dotted line, you can see in the figure. Now if I add cyclohexane to this ethyl alcohol solution component, cyclohexane will occupy the spaces between the ethanol molecules. As a result of this, hydrogen bonding between the ethanol molecules will break and such type of solution will show positive deviation. Now what is the second example? Benzene and acetone. The third is ethyl alcohol and water. Fourth is acetone and ethyl alcohol. Now what is the graphical explanation for this solution with positive deviation? So again we can make a graph. Now here it is mole fraction, here it is vapor pressure. Now XA is 1 and XB is 0. So here XA is 0 and XB is 1. Now when XA is 1, it is P naught A. When XB is 1, it is P naught B. So first I will make dotted lines. So these dotted lines are showing the ideal behavior. But since it is a solution showing positive deviation, so everything is more. Pa is greater than P naught A XA. Here Pa is not equal to P naught A XA. So the graph is not a linear. So this line, this curve, increasing curve is showing Pa. Likewise, this increasing curve is showing Pb and this increasing curve is showing total vapor pressure of solution. So this graph shows the behavior, the variation of vapor pressure and mole fraction for a solution showing positive deviation. The next is non-ideal solutions with negative deviation. Here, if we compare these two, PA is less than P naught AXA, PB is less than P naught BXP, delta H mixing less than 0. Less than 0 means negative. So such solutions are exothermic. Delta V mixing is less than 0 means volume decreases after mixing. Now how to make the solution with negative deviation? So we have to take two components A and B such that in the solution the AB attractions are stronger, means after mixing the two components, if the intermolecular attractions increase, such type of solution show negative deviation. Now since the intermolecular attractions increase, the escaping tendency of the molecules will decrease. They will not change into vapor readily. That's why partial vapor pressure of each component is less than. PA is less than P naught AXA, PB is less than P naught B XP. Since intermolecular attractions increase, heat is released. The process is exothermic, so such solutions are warmer, means after mixing the two components, if the resultant solution is warmer, then such solutions show negative deviation. Now, since attractions increase, the molecules will move close now, therefore volume decreases after mixing. Means after mixing the two components, the volume of solution will be less, 50 ml of A, 50 ml of B, the total volume of solution will be less than 100 ml. Now the first example is acetone and chloroform. Now we can discuss this example in detail. So this is acetone, CH3COCH3, and this is chloroform. So on mixing these two components together, we can see that there is formation of hydrogen bonding shown by dotted line between oxygen of one acetone and hydrogen of chloroform molecule. So magnitude of attractive forces increase. The second example is acetone and aniline. The third example is water and nitric acid, and the fourth example is chloroform and ether. Now again, what is the graphical representation of the solutions showing negative deviation? So again, the same vapor pressure and mole fraction. XA is 1, it is P naught A. XB is 1, it is P naught B. So again, dotted lines are there, and these dotted lines are showing the ideal behavior. And since it is negative deviation, so everything is less. PB is less than P naught B XP. So this is the variation for PB, this is the variation for PA, and this is the total vapor pressure of solution. So this is the solution with negative deviation. So we have discussed ideal solutions, we have discussed non-ideal solutions, and the two types of non-ideal solutions. Now which type of questions come from this part? We can get statements. State Raoult's law, general form, state Raoult's law for a solution of non-volatile solute and volatile solvent. We can get the definition part, what are ideal solutions, non-ideal solution, difference between the two, and what is the difference between the two types of non-ideal solution, like this. We can also get numericals based on the Raoult's law. Now there is one topic remaining in this section, that is azeotropes. The concept of azeotrope is also based on this positive and negative deviation also, only that we are going to discuss in the next class. And in the next class we are going to start the next topic of this chapter, that is the colligative property.